are 3 simple prompts you can add to the end of your request to unlock genius mode in ChatGPT or any model. These tiny tweaks can instantly 10x the quality of your output. You can use them with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, whichever LLM you prefer. Hi, I'm Preston Lewis, an AI educator and founder of multiple companies. I've helped generate millions of dollars by implementing design thinking, AI, and automation. And today, I'm sharing 3 powerful one-liners you can tack onto your prompts to get more accurate, tailored, and powerful results. Open your favorite LLM, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever you use, and try this with me. Okay, so tip 1, ask me clarifying questions until you're 95% confident you understand the task. So let's just say over here, I type in something like, help me implement AI into my small business that's already generating over $1 million in revenue. And then I would add, ask me clarifying questions until you're 95% confident you understand the task. So I'm gonna hit enter on that. Now, instead of guessing, ChatGPT stops and asks you a series of clarifying questions first, like what types of business do you run? How do you generate revenue? Where does most of your profit come from? So even reading these questions sharpens your thinking. You can answer with full detail or just say, not sure where applicable. Then it'll build a tailored AI implementation plan that fits your business model, growth stage, and operational realities. It's a much smarter, more strategic response because it took the time to understand your needs before generating the answer. So I'm gonna answer these right now. So what type of business? So run an AI agency where we implement AI for businesses with over 1 million in revenue. Services, where does most of your profit come from? Say services, operations and team. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it's already answering things much more tailored to what I was looking for here. So tip number 2, think like a top 0.1% expert. So asking things like, what would a top 0.1% person in this field think? So let's say I want to take that same AI plan and make it investor worthy or consultant level. I could type something like, improve this AI implementation plan so it's on par with what a top strategist would recommend. And then afterwards add something like, what would a top 0.1% AI consultant or digital transformation expert think? So now ChatGPT evaluates your plan like a world-class expert. It refines your approach, adds critical metrics, prioritizes based on ROI, and might suggest integrations or frameworks you hadn't considered. So suddenly your generic AI plan or business plan becomes a professional grade transformation roadmap. Very cool. All right, now tip 3, reframe the problem. So this prompt is a game changer when you want to zoom out, question your assumptions, or unlock unexpected insight. So let's say your original goal is something like this: help me automate tasks in my business to save time. And then I'm gonna add at the end, reframe this in a way that challenges how I see the problem. Hit enter. So right here, help me automate tasks in my business to save time. This assumes that tasks are static and must be done. Time saving equals optimization. So instead, thinking of it as, what if I rebuilt my business from scratch, assuming AI is my first employee and it never sleeps. It basically is proposing this new lens, which is amazing because it helps you completely rethink problems where, when you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Same kind of thing with our mental models. So this really helps you zoom out and solve things differently. And so now you're not just solving a problem, you're expanding your vision and thinking more strategically. That's what this prompt is designed to do. So to recap, here are your 3 ChatGPT Genius Mode prompts. Ask me clarifying questions until you're 95% confident. Number 2, what would a top 0.1% expert in this field think? And number 3, reframe this in a way that challenges how I see the problem. Add any of these to the end of your prompt and you'll start getting outputs that are smarter, more strategic, and actually aligned with your goals. So if this helped, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI implementation and automation tips that drive real results.